Hello, my name is Greg Stock, and my LibGuide provides resources for an undergraduate Introduction to the World's Major Religions course at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. The LibGuide is called Hinduism of South and Southeast Asia. At the home page, one can see the various tab headings that will link to resources such as dictionaries, journals, and films. Clicking on the blue text links the researcher directly with that specific resource. For example, the home page has links to a Ramayana video from Bali and to research guides of both South and Southeast Asia that are available at the UH Manoa Library. There are some excellent dictionaries of Hinduism available through the UH Library. Some of these in this LibGuide are print books, and a couple of these are reference works, which means that they can only be viewed within the library. Two of the dictionaries, however, are electronic resources, meaning that they can be accessed through the library website and through this LibGuide. To access the Oxford Dictionary of Hinduism, simply click on the blue text. This will take you to the book's information page in our library website. Here, you can click to link to the online resource. Once there, you can use the letters at the bottom of the page to search for thousands of words and terms related to Hinduism. The Encyclopedia tab also provides a mixture of print and online encyclopedic resources, such as the Encyclopedia of Religion, Brill's Encyclopedia of Hinduism, and the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy. One of my favorite books in this entire collection is the Encyclopedia of Religion and Nature, which explores the intersection of religious and ecological thought. Encyclopedia Britannica is an online resource that can also be accessed by clicking the blue text. At their site, one can enter the search term or terms of their choice in the toolbar at the top of the page, and can even limit the results to options such as articles, journals, or dictionaries. At the Database tab, I've provided specialized databases such as the Religion and Philosophy Collection and the Atla Religion Database. But I have also included more general databases such as JSTOR, Project Muse, and Academic Search Complete. To access a database such as JSTOR, simply click on the blue text. At the JSTOR site, rather than just inputting the term Hinduism into the search bar, let's briefly practice a slightly more advanced search by clicking on Advanced Search. We can now refine and narrow our topic to a subject like Hinduism and rituals. Here are some other examples of searches we could do within the Advanced Search option. The two bibliographic resources in the LibGuide can both be accessed online. Oxford Bibliographies Online is not only a UH Library database, but is freely accessible online to anyone. At their site, one can browse by the subject of their choice, such as Hinduism, and can then narrow the search by browsing the articles or by choosing the beginning letter of a chosen term. The page which illustrates authoritative websites obviously provides resources that are available online. And the top three that I chose for this LibGuide are HinduWebsite.com, HinduismWayOfLife.com, and the Hindu American Foundation. Of these three, HinduWebsite.com is the most comprehensive and includes links to other Hindu religious sects, such as Jainism and Sikhism, as well as to scriptures, videos, essays, information on yoga, and much more. There are many excellent journals and periodicals available through the UH Library, where one can find articles relating to Hinduism, and many of these journals are available as an electronic resources as well as in print. Two of my personal favorites are the Journal of Asian Studies and the Journal of Southeast Asian Studies. But Hinduism Today is perhaps the one most relevant to this query. To access this periodical, click on the blue text. This will take you to the UH Library's Voyager catalog, where you will find a call number for print issues of Hinduism Today, as well as an electronic link to the e-resources for Hinduism Today. Two of the finest resources in this whole LibGuide are found in the index section of the LibGuide. Although the Bibliography of Asian Studies and Philosopher's Index could also be referred to as databases or bibliographies, I have placed them here because they can both be classified as indexes too. The Bibliography of Asian Studies, or BAS, is one of my go-to resources for any research regarding Asia. This database utilizes the accessible EBSCOhost platform and allows one to limit their searches to a specific country or to a particular language. While BAS boasts that it is the most comprehensive Western language resource for research on Asia, Philosopher's Index calls itself the premier database on all subject areas of philosophy, and it has over 600,000 records that date all the way back to 1902. Both of these resources have every right to brag about what they have to offer, and I encourage you to visit their sites for this query on Hinduism. The final tab for this LibGuide will take you to audio-visual resources, where I have included 5 films on Hinduism that are available from the Sinclair Library Audiovisual Lab. 3 of these 5 films are electronic resources and can be streamed through the library website. The DVD and VHS films from this collection can be viewed at Sinclair, or one can check these resources out for 1 week, provided that you have a DVD or VHS player at home. Sinclair Library has an amazing collection of films, so I encourage you to visit their audiovisual lab with any other future cinematic interests. I wish you all the best with your research of Hinduism, and thank you for utilizing this resource. Aloha.